Hey, what's up guys? It's Joe here, and today's problem is best time to buy and sell stock 2 on Leetcode. Alright guys, so here we go. Say you have an array prices for which the ith element is the price given of a given stock on day I. Design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. You may complete as many transactions as you like, i.e. buy and sell one share of the stock multiple times. You may not engage in multiple transactions at the same time, i.e. you must sell the stock before you buy again. And you can see here, these are each day, as well as the price of each stock at each day. So this problem, it's a lot simpler than the way they describe it here. The first time I did this, it was a lot more confusing than it actually is. So you can see here, I have this in the solution tab, there's a really good diagram here that can explain exactly how I learned how to solve this problem. So you can see we have this array here. It's modeled out in this graph here. And we want to find the maximum profit using multiple transactions. So you can see here there's valleys and peaks along the way. And essentially what we want is that we want to calculate and add up all of the different valley to peak increases. So all of the increases within this graph, so you can see there's an increase from here to here, which is denoted by this line A. And there's another increase for B here to here. And we want to take that as our answer. So if there's a increase in this graph, we want to take that when we calculate our answer, because that'll give us the maximum profit that we can get. So you can see here it's 5 minus 1, so 4 is going to be for this A, for this increase from 1 to 5, and then from here it's 3 to 6, so that's an increase of 3. And you can see these other downward slopes, they don't have any increases, so you essentially just ignore these and just keep going as you traverse the array. And the way we'll be solving this is we'll be just using a previous and a current pointer. We'll set the current or the previous pointer at our first index here, and then our current pointer will be starting at index I or index 1. And we'll just compare these 2 points and see if there's an increase, then add that to our answer. If there's not, then just keep things going. So here there's no increase along this line from index 1 to 2. So we move previous up to 2 and we move current up to 3. And we see that there's an increase here, which we calculate by just taking the current minus the previous. And then from here, we just keep going and keep calculating these increases. And that's it. So let's go ahead and get coding. So here we'll have first our base cases equals null, or if the prices dot length is equal to 0, then just return 0. Otherwise, let's get our end here. And we'll also have our previous, which will just start at prices at 0. We'll also have our answer, which will just start at 0, and also here. So we'll go through the array, and we'll start it at index 1, I++, and here we'll say that like we said in the solution here, we just want to check if the previous, and we'll go ahead and grab a current here, which will be just prices at I. And we want to say if the previous is less than our current, so that means that it went from a low value to a high value, then there's some profit here. So we can go ahead and say answers plus minus current minus previous, And then if not, we just say previous is equal to current. And then current will be moved up as we go through the array. And then return answer. And that should be it. And you can see there it is, guys. So I hope this helped you with this problem. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want more stuff like this.